This is a trioving. It's ranked blue, 6 pins. It says trampoline drivers. So try to get in. Use the multi-pick, top of the keyway tensioner, the big boy, and the multi-pick deep hook. Jeez. So it's a lot of back and forth with this lock. I just set one, then I set two, then I dropped one. But I guess that's why they call them trampoline pins. So there's one again, there's two again, one again, two again, maybe 3, 4 again, but I dropped a bunch of stuff. 6, 2, 3, maybe 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I dropped 6. 1, 2, 3. See what I mean by that? I just had to keep going back and forth through over and over and over again and getting them all up there until one of them finally stuck at the shear line, and then just repeat the process until the lock opened. But that is the trioving.